Hello guys, today I want to share with you guys one of the best recorder for phone user in 2020. Before I start this, click that like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get to it. First, if you want to install this app, you need to type xrecorder and we'll go to this recorder. You can see the rating is 4.7. It's very high rating. 1 million review, 50 million download. You can record while playing a game, and also you can make review or you want to make tutorial inside this phone. Okay, next I will show you on how to use this xrecorder. First, you click this open and it will pop up here. Okay, you click here and click this back picture. Using this app also you can screenshot like this. And also if you want to show your face from here, you can click this camera and it will show your face from here on. You can also move this from which location that you wish to put. Next, you also can use brush if you want to write something or you want to make your sign. Okay, click this on. Click here. Choose which color you want to use. I will use black. And you can make your sign here, or you want to write something, or you want to erase this, you can use this eraser. After you finish, you also can screenshot this, click this. Okay, let's go inside screen recorder app. Click open. Click this X. Okay, click open. From here you can see your video. Okay, if you want to change resolution for your video, go to setting. You can click here. If you want your resolution 1080 pixel or 720, you can make changes. You also can change the recording mode. You can make performance mode. You can make normal mode. You can also mute record audio if you want. You can click this off, but I recommend you click this on because if you want to record, it needs sound, and if you mute it, and it will be less interesting with no sound. Next, I will show you on how to record while playing a game. Let's go. From here, I will click this Plant vs Zombie. Okay, if you want to record from here, you can go click this. You can see it pop up 3 things. Before you recording, actually it pop up 4. So you can click a round orange button to start record. And if you want to start, you can click this orange rectangle button. Okay, that's it. Okay, I hope this will help you guys. I really recommend you use this app. Before I end this video, you can ask me a question if you want. Just comment down below, and I see you guys next time. Okay, bye.